Do you know the medical imaging technology? With higher quantity images of patient's body, doctors can make more accurate clinical diagnoses. Actually, the development of medical imaging is a long story. Professor Perrin from University of British Columbia introduced three biggest challenges during this process. The first challenge is to produce secure radioisotopes, which are radioactive atoms used to locate patients' specific organs.
Some of the first radioactive images were done in the late 1890s and early 1900s by I think Marie Curie, and so radiation goes back, over 100 years. But the kind of imaging that we're doing really starts after World War II, and so there's the ability to produce what are called isotopes or radioactive atoms on demand.
Then, the second challenge is about cameras. How do we actually get an image? Some of the first cameras were developed in the 1950s and 1960s, and then the development of the PET scanner in the 1970s and 1980s allowed us to get images with PET isotopes.
And PET isotopes are a special subclass of isotopes that give extremely highly sensitive, high contrast, and what are called dynamic images. So we can not only get an image, we can actually watch the molecule go through the body and go to where it's supposed to go, and then clear from where it's supposed to be. So that's what we call a dynamic image.
The third challenge is for both chemists and biochemists. After creating radioactive isotopes, they work together to find methods to embed these atoms into biomolecules. Overall, these are some challenges that have been met and are being met. However, according to Professor Perrin, these problems won't bother us for a long time. It's an open world we are in, so even we don't talk to others, these talents, such as people who know how to make isotopes, how to make hardware, and also people who can develop suitable molecule to accept the radioactive isotope, will still get together naturally to solve those difficulties. As a result, the medical imaging technique will be improved year by year. Hopefully, this improvement could help people to treat disease more effectively.